get this qualification match 46 started. 5 robots immediately off the lines, and we get the 6th just right after. 4079 up at full extension, but nowhere near that reef. Looks like they may have repurposed an already used Auton. 1138 drops off their L4, and 1160 drifts to a stop. Your scores out of Auton are tied up at 23-23. 4079 lowers their elevator with a clack, and looks like they're lining up to head to that blue reef. 4123 algae in hand, looking to match the Robodox and drop the second algae up into that red net. 4079 drops a coral on L4, but just barely missing. Over on the red side of the field, 599 and 4123, both very effective scoring robots, both with coral and algae, lining up to their reef and filling out that L4 section. Over on the blue side of the field, 1160 matching them up. That L4 side of their reef is loaded up, and they head to L3. 4079 doing that de-algification that they're known so well for. Are they heading over to their coral station? They decide instead to race over to the red side of the field to play some defense. Speaking of defense, it looks like the typical defense spot, 5089, is unfortunately having some mechanical issues. Their RSL is fully off. That doesn't bode too well. Hopefully they can get that resolved. Meanwhile, 599 picking up an algae from the ground and going up. Oh, it just barely falls out of their claw. Hopefully they're able to recover that. 4123 escaping the defense of 4079, moving over to the other coral station. That red L4 nearly entirely filled out. 1160 not to be outdone, heading for level 3. 1138 helping them out. Only 2 L4 rungs left for both teams. On the red side, Tri Robotics going up and dropping a level 3 coral in, racing back to their coral station to do the same. 599 matching up, trying to stay just ahead of that 4079 defense bot. 4123 all the way up to the top, but that is your sonar ping. We are now in the end game. 1138 racing to fill out that last L4 coral, and now both blue robots heading to their barge zone. 1160 has the cage in their robot. 1138 does too. 5 seconds remaining in the match. 2, 1, and 0. Scores for your qualification 46 in just a moment. Your scores for qualification match number 46, that is a red victory with a score of 117 to 1.